Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. Okay, so in this video I am going to explain our WP Protect Content WordPress plugin add-on feature. Okay, as in last video I have explained the feature of our free version. Okay, so these setting are our free version. Okay, and today I am going to explain the feature of our add-on. Okay, so you can purchase our add-ons from our official website. We have given the link here. So these are the plans as per your requirement. You can purchase it. Okay, so like silver plan is basically if you want to use for single website, then you can choose our single silver plan, and if you want to use more than one and up to 5 website, then you can choose gold plan. And if you want to use our plugins add-on on more than 5 website, then you can choose $120 means platinum plan. Okay, so these the features in these all three plans are same. Okay, so only difference are there to use number of website and the month support of the plugins add-ons. Okay, so like in silver plan we have given 1 month support, and gold 3 month support, and platinum plan we have given 1 year on support. Okay, so these are one time payment add-ons. Okay, so you have no need to pay any monthly or yearly charges, so you can easily purchase it via our add-on from our official website. You will just need to click on buy now button. Okay, so you will redirect to your PayPal account, PayPal website. Okay, and here you will require to fill your card information and some link information and agree to pay. So very simple steps to purchase the add-on. We have listed the feature of add-on here. Okay, like we have given the option to disable copy content, disable F12 functional key, disable right click, allow right click for links, disable print page. Okay, disable save page, disable page view source means user will not able to view your website page source. Okay, disable save page. Okay, so this page specific feature. Okay, so given above these all settings you can manage page specific. For example, if you want to enable the right click for any specific page, only a single page. Okay, so in that case we have given the page specific feature in this add-on, so you can use it on your website. So let's come back on website. Okay, so let me install the plugins. Okay, so when you will purchase the add-ons from our official website, we will send you the order confirmation email with a add-on zip file. Okay, so in same way you will need to find download the zip file and select the zip file from your local server. Okay, so after select the zip file you need to click on install now button, and let's activate the plugin add-on. Okay, so our plugin is successfully installed. Okay, and during the install or activate our add-ons, you notice that our free version automatically has been disabled. Okay, so it means after configure the plugin add-on setting you can delete our free version, as we have already included the all features of free version into add-on. Okay, so there will not require to free version, you can delete it after configure the plugin setting. Okay, so you can find the settings by a three way. You can go access the plugin using settings button, and we have given the option admin menu bar as well. You can access the settings here and under settings also. Okay, so let's see the setting of the road on. Okay, here you can see we have given the option to disallow copy content, disallow F12 functional key. Okay, disallow mouse right click and drag option, and disallow print. Okay, so these features are also available in free version. Okay, so in paid version we have given extra like disallow print. Okay, so After enable this, user will not able to print your website page. Okay, for example, let me show you website. Okay, so I am going to press Ctrl P. Okay, so you can see the our action is performing and asking to print the current page. Okay, so in this way anyone can print your website. Okay, but if you will disable the printout, okay, so in that case, if I am going to press Ctrl P again, okay, so nothing happen. It means user will not able to print your current website page. Okay, so you can choose this option to Control P. Okay, disallow page source. Okay, and currently I can see right click and Control U as well. Okay, we can see the, okay, so you can see I am able to view the page source using Control plus U. Okay, so let me disable this and see its work. Now I am going to press again Control U. Okay, so nothing happened. It means no one will able to view source of your website pages. Okay, so same way disallow Control S. Currently I can save your website page as HTML on my local system. Okay, so after enable this feature disallow the page source. Now I am going to try Control S, but nothing happened because I have protect my website pages disallow by disallow save page. Okay, so these are four condition plus mouse right click. Okay, let me disallow mouse right click. Currently I am able to click on this. Okay, so let me refresh. Yes, you can see alert box, sorry, right click has been disabled. Okay, but in add-ons we have allow the link to enable the right click. Okay, for example I am going to click on read more, right click on read more button. Okay, so you can see I am able to click right I am able to right click on any hyperlink on your website. Okay, and similarly here I am able to link the website, and similarly, yeah, okay, but I will try to copy any page, any image, any content, then this will be not allow me to copy the content or click on content base. Okay, so these are the, this is the feature we have given and provided on. Okay, and if you want to use the stylus alert box, then you can use this one. You can see disable directly. Okay, so in same way you can use other functionality as well, like this allow copy, it should be also work. Copy I am able to copy. Let me disallow copy content. Now I am not able to copy the content. Okay, so you can use these other setting as well. And sometime if you want to, you do not display the any message to customer, so what is happening on the website. Okay, so currently when I am going to right click, I am able to see the message here. Okay, so if you don't want to display these pop-up message, then you have need to hide the select box, yes, and refresh the page. Okay, so currently I am going trying to right click, but no message are showing because I have hide the alert box message. Okay, so these are the basic setting, and I hope these settings are clear. Okay, so let me explain the page specific setting. Okay, so for example manage video. Okay, let me edit this page. Okay, so here you can see I am not able to click on this. Okay, so let me, these are the our add-on settings. Okay, WP protect content information. Okay, so using these setting you can override the default functionality, means plugins default functional default setting from here. Okay, so now I'm, if you want to, for example, if you want to enable the right click only for this post. Okay, so in that case you can allow right click. Yes, I am going to allow right click here. Let me refresh. Yes, yes, I am able to right click on this page, but right click will not work on my home page or any other page as well, for example. Okay, so these are the setting, page specific setting. Here you can manage the page specific setting for every pages, individual pages. Okay, so all settings I have explained our add-on feature, and hope all is clear for you. If you have any doubt, any query, you can leave your comment and video in comment box. I will try to give your query answer as soon as possible. So guys, I hope you will enjoy our this important add-ons on your website to give extra protection of your website content, and I will provide you the add-on links and video description as well. Okay, you can also visit our official website www.wp-experts.in/products. Okay, so here you can find the our plugin add-on link. If you have any query, any suggestions, then you can leave in comment box as well. If you want to give your valuable feedback about our plugins, then you can leave your feedback on our plugins WordPress official website here. Okay, you can leave your feedback from here. Okay, so leave your feedback on WordPress official website, you must have need to create a account, or if you are already existing, then you need to log in here. Otherwise you can create a account in very easily, very steps. Okay, here you will look at to choose your username and email, and after that WordPress will send you the activation link on your email, and you can easily activate the your account and can leave the feedback for any WordPress. Not only you can use this account for to create the support ticket on WordPress official website. Okay, so guys, today is enough. I will back again with new information with new video. So bye, take care.